Hey there. So this is the final step once a FileThis account has been created and connected to Dropbox. And what you'll need to do is you're going to need to share the link for the folder that's created by FileThis and Dropbox communicating to each other. For whatever reason, you cannot share, like invite someone to the folder as you can with a lot of Dropbox folders, and it has something to do with how Dropbox allows sharing. So how you go about doing this is the very first thing you want to do, of course, this video is presuming you've done all the other setup steps with FileThis and Dropbox. You may want to check your apps folder to see if FileThis is residing under there. In my case, it's not residing under there. You can see I just have deep freeze and expenditure. So if it's not residing under apps, just scroll down to get to FileThis. And here you can see, here's my FileThis folder. And what I'd want to do is to create a link that I can email to someone in order for them to have access to all the subfolders and documents that reside in this master folder. So what you want to do is get it highlighted. And in order to highlight it, just click on the white space. Don't click here on the link because it's going to actually open up all the subfolders. Just click in the white space until it's highlighted. In my case, it's blue. And then click share. And then Dropbox is so kind and it tells you this folder can only be shared as a link. Learn more. Then what you'll do is you'll do create a link. Now I have a link, right? So hit copy link. And then you would just email this link to whoever you need to share it with. And it's really long, like it actually goes beyond what you're seeing here in the screen. And that's how easy it is to create that link that you'd need to give, in this case, to me as your bookkeeper, or anyone else you feel like sharing it with. And then the other thing too, just kind of like a final double check. Once you have your accounts connected in FileThis, one thing that would be handy to do is just open up the folder and just make sure you actually see the various bank and credit card accounts that you've set up under here. In this case, I got to click through another time. But you can see here I have like tons of stuff. And of course, in your case, you're not going to have as much, but I have a lot of client stuff that's lurking in there. So that is the main purpose of this video, is to show you how to go about creating a link that you can give to your bookkeeper. And then the second purpose was just a little double check to make sure that you actually have folders that FileThis has created for you. Have a great day.